guys, my name's Pop Rock, and as you can see,
we're back.
We're back. I tried to make a video here, it never uploaded, so we're gonna have to come back here again. We're at this old abandoned place from the 60s, and it is an abandoned car wash, and someone got smashed by a car here. I mean smashed, like Hulk.
Dead.
Smashed, like dead. So it's probably haunted. I'm hoping it is. He probably doesn't. No, he doesn't. He's scared. But basically what we have to do is we have to climb through here, like up around this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what? I forgot. Oh, so slippery.
Anyway, and yeah, we get here. You record me. I'm gonna go up.
No, I'll go up.
Okay.
Because I have better shoes.
Shoes are fine. Yeah, I'm wearing joggers. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's so slippery.
All right, let me try.
Yeah, I don't think we can get in there. Oh, surprisingly, he got up.
Yeah, that's all I gotta do. Yeah, I'm a beast. Let's go. You're a savage. Just do what I did.
I can't jump. Oh.
Here. What?
I've been caught. Help me.
How?
Someone saw me.
No one saw him. He's kind of likes to trick people. We're just gonna jump over this. Won't? Okay. Last time a door almost fell on me and I walked past it. Alright. He sucks. He doesn't know what he's doing. My feet are so cold because I'm not wearing any socks. I'm stupid. What are you doing?
I can't get up. Well, this is karma.
Okay. Basically, grab onto this. 2 hands.
Okay.
When you jump, pull yourself up.
So you want me to jump, kick, pull?
Okay, do this then. Grab it. Boom. Okay, do it right here on the chain. Alright, we're gonna pause until he gets over. Alright guys, so we finally made it. He does not know what he's doing.
Nope.
That's alright. Oh, there's the broom I made from last time. I threw it at a freaking wasp. Guys, I made this broom. Well, like 2 pieces. Anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. This door fell on me. Okay. We're gonna turn my flashlight on. Alright, there we go. Yeah, it gets kind of lightheaded because of the like fumes and stuff. Okay, I gotta switch in. Okay, check out over here. Okay, there's keys. Remember that from last time? Ooh, never saw this last time.
Power box? Open it. It'd be funny if it was locked.
Oh, it is locked. I think that's what one of these.
No, remember that one key?
This one.
That one key by itself?
I think it's one of the keys in here.
I found an iPhone.
You what?
Found an iPhone. Oh, no, it's not an iPhone. It's a purple phone case. Phone case that's snapped in there.
Alright, well, let's do that. Ah, found it. Yeah. I think it's welded shut or something. I just got really. I unlocked it. Oh, there's. Are you guys zoomed in? No. This is weird. I don't think that key fits. Hey, but look at this. So basically, I think we should take this. Really?
Whoa! I just walked into the room.
Dude, I saw you.
You see nothing.
We're gonna take this.
What's that crap?
I don't know, but look. Oh, I never got my goggles from last time. Safety goggles for when I do stuff stupid. But no, we gotta keep. What is this? Paperclip. Yes. So I can find the lockpick.
Wait, what's that?
Oh, I think this is order paper. Oh.
Wait, I bet this is acid. See?
No, it's indicator solution.
No. Acid.
Yeah, it's hydraulic acid.
Wait, let's see if it melts. Crap.
Dude, stop.
Why?
It's hydraulic acid. That's what you make. It does not melt stuff.
Why?
Stop, dude. You're wasting it. That could
Wait.
be a lot of money.
I want to melt that.
I don't know what that is.
Well, flip it over here.
I'm gonna take that paper clip though. I want that paper clip. Okay, I
I
seriously.
found a mother.
That's that. Did you hear that?
No,
I just heard footsteps.
because I was.
No, you did not. No, it was from out there. I think someone's here.
Nobody's here.
Okay, guys, we're just getting freaking out. We should have brought a backpack or something.
Oh, that.
Oh, dang it.
I got lightheaded again.
Yeah, I know. All these on tight. Oh, what did you stop? Dude, you can't mess with this stuff. It obviously says, keep away from children somewhere.
I'm a child.
Yeah.
You haven't kept it away from me.
Whoa, that scared the freaking... Dude. Go pull none of that shiny stuff on me. Alright, there you go. Okay, we got it sealed. Okay, that really sucks, but still. I'm not gonna take these goggles because they're really messed up and they probably... Whoa, that's a spider. Could you stop that?
I didn't do it.
Okay, I know what he's doing. Okay. Anyway. Seriously. You did not find an engine, dude.
Right here, an engine.
Alright, well this stuff has nothing for us. I have to poop. Oh. Okay, so it's starting to rain, kind of bad. Alright, get that ladder. Alright guys, we'll be right back. We're gonna do something hard. I'm gonna go up with you. Woo! I almost broke my phone there.
I think I can do it.
Oh,
Wait, I'll do it. I'll go up there. 1 second.
Alright, it's set, dude.
Okay, guys.
Alright, hold on. First, let's get this ladder set up. Alright, grab the other. Ah, come on, hold on.
Bugs.
Okay, let's get you up real quick. Alright, we're gonna set up this ladder against right that. Oh no. Right there. Dude, pick it up on that.
I am.
Hey, go up the table.
Okay, steady me. Let me take the phone.
Take the phone thing that's up there. I got it.
Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, dude, this will This be scary if it falls. I think we should make a better place to put it because it's not that stable.
Alright, let me check. Oh yeah, hold on. We need to tilt it a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Hold on, not that.
Okay.
Hold it.
I'm holding it.
Record me. Alright. Oh my gosh.
What's up there?
Whoa. It's actually not scary if you did.
Let me see.
There's something wrong.
What?
There's a
Smells better.
There's a heater. Kind of heater.
Oh, felt lightheaded again.
What do you think I feel? I'm all the way up here.
Dude, I heard something.
Yeah, I know. I'm hearing stuff too.
I think we should go.
Hey, give me a phone.
No, just keep going, and I'll give you the phone once you're down.
Well, I want to show him. I want to show him.
Yeah, I think we should get out of here.
Yeah, so do I. I don't think it's a...
Just bring them up with your one.
Alright, see? Nothing special. Okay, we're going down.
We're gonna go check it out, and if nobody's there, we'll keep exploring.
Yeah.
And I felt lightheaded again.
Dude, it's raining. Alright, guys, it's raining bad. I'm gonna turn off the flash real quick.
Oh, dude, it's getting harder.
Yeah, you guys, it's kind of raining bad. Let me show you where the... Oh! Right there. That's where the guy got smashed.
Where?
Because the clothes garage right there.
Oh.
Right.
Is there still sports in there?
Alright. As you can see, this place is super creepy. Suspicious is freaking crap. I'm gonna go get into some area. Whoa. I'm just looking. Alright, I don't want my phone breaking. Alright, let's go back inside. There's no one out here.
Oh!
That is a pentagram. That is a pentagram.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Ozark. Phone fucks Ozark.
For some reason, it's not like the stuff isn't blurry on my phone.
Jeff Popper was.
That
here.
says
Jeff Popper.
It says Peeper. Yeah, I kind of had to mumble that a little bit because. Alright guys, my phone's about to die. So I'm gonna end the video here.
No, let's just do it until your phone's like at 5%.
It is at 5%.
Okay. We're
I
gonna
hope,
explore this a little bit
yeah,
more.
we're gonna come back here later on, like some more times after, like, and school starts up soon, so make sure that you guys are good if you still go to school. And yeah, hope you guys like school. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see y'all later.
Why would you